First things first, let's check our weight. So, as I'm having only breakfast and lunch, and also only one chapati for lunch or breakfast, and also healthy meals, I lost a lot of weight and hope it's not just a water weight. Let's see. Good morning, amigos. Welcome back to Nesa Reddy's Daily Vlogs. Hope you all are doing great. Let's start our day with positive affirmations as usual because it's very important, right? Let's set our mind peacefully. I am healthy and full of energy. My body radiates strength and vitality. I am beautiful and confident. My inner glow reflects my outer beauty. Money flows to me effortlessly. I attract wealth and success with ease. I am grateful for my abundant life. I welcome joy and opportunities every day. I am healthy and I am full of energy. My body radiates strength and vitality. Money flows to me effortlessly. I attract wealth and success with ease. Early mornings are magical. The world feels calm and the air is pure. And there's something deeply rejuvenating about embracing nature. Taking in fresh air isn't just refreshing, it's incredibly healthy. It oxygenates your lungs, clears your mind, and sets the tone for the positive day. Breathe deeply, feel alive, and soak in the moment. These small acts connect us to the world around us, grounding us before the hustle of the day begins. And of course, before starting the day, there's not so glamorous ritual brushing our teeth. Yes, it's a daily necessity, but let's admit it, it's funny how we all make ridiculous faces in front of the mirror trying not to draw toothpaste and everywhere, but hey, clean teeth mean a confident smile, so it's totally worth the efforts. And also, I always remember this song, brush, 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 2 times a day, brush with Colgate. I'm not promoting Colgate though, but I really love this song. From the time I was a kid, I have been singing this song, making fun of my brother usually. I really miss the childhood though, because the way we used to brush together, fight like kids, and all that. Now everything is like, changed. Maturity came up, and you can't play along like the way you were when you were kids, because everything changes when you grow up, and it is so bad that you can't even embrace small little things which we were embracing when we were kids. So even if licking that toothpaste was a kind of art, but do not do it because it's not healthy. Early in the morning, first thing you must do is drinking water, because that feels really good and it is very healthy to clean your stomach before putting any kind of carbs or anything into your stomach. Water makes your body very nice, and also you can feel that gut. Now let's talk breakfast. And today's choice, muskmelon. Not only is it a juicy and delicious, but it's also packed with health benefits. It's rich in vitamins A and C, keeps your skin glowing and boosts your immunity. It's low in calories, high in water content, and a great way to stay hydrated. Plus, it's packed with dietary fiber, keeping your digestion on point. Remember, what you eat fuels your day, so choose wisely. A healthy breakfast isn't just a meal, it's a commitment to self care. Sticking to a healthy lifestyle isn't always easy, but it's worth it. Every small step, waking up early, eating clean, staying hydrated, is a step toward becoming the best version of yourself. Consistency is the key, and I believe that about YouTube as well. Progress doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, the results will come. Remind yourself daily this is for you. The effort you put in now shapes the life you will live tomorrow. Let's move on to the something that's truly transformative. Living a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a sprint. It's about showing up for yourself every single day. Even when it feels hard, stay committed, embrace the progress, and celebrate the small victories because the healthiest, happiest version of you is worth every single ounce of effort. Let's keep going together, one day, one habit, one choice at a time. Muskmelon, a perfect choice for breakfast. Why? It's not just a fruit, it's nature's powerhouse packed with vitamins A and C. Muskmelon boosts your immunity, keeps your skin radiant, and hydrates your body with its high water content. It's light, refreshing, and an ideal start to the day. Plus, it's loaded with fiber supporting digestion and keeping you feeling full and energized. A healthy breakfast like this isn't just about fueling your body, it's about building a lifestyle that aligns with your goals. Sticking to a healthy food habits like sticking to a routine. It's all interconnected. It's about discipline, consistency, and making choices that serve your future self. Every time you choose health, you're choosing strength, energy, and the resilience to face challenges head on. Just like my journey with YouTube, it's not always easy, but it's always worth it. Speaking of YouTube, today marks 90 days of daily vlogging, 90 days of showing up, creating, and sharing my journey. Has it been easy? No. Have there been moments of doubt? Absolutely. There are days when I feel disheartened, knowing I have poured my heart into it, my work, but still I haven't crossed 3K subscribers. It's tough to put in so much effort and not see the results you hoped for. But here's the thing. I believe in myself. I know that success doesn't happen overnight. Just like building a healthy lifestyle, growing a channel takes time, patience, and unwavering commitment. Every video I post, every lesson I learn, every connection I make is a step closer to my dreams. This muskmelon reminds me of something important. Growth happens quietly beneath the surface. You water the seeds, nurture them, and trust that one day they'll bloom. Just like my channel, I may not have thousands of subscribers yet, but I have the courage to keep going. I show up for myself and my dreams, and I know that one day the effort will pay off. And meet Jim Jam. Normalize talking to your plants. And so, it's time for next step in my routine, chair exercises. These exercises have become a crucial part of my journey toward a healthier and stronger me. The best part, they are so simple and convenient. You can do them anywhere, at home, in the office, or even while traveling. Chair exercises are incredibly versatile. They help improve flexibility, build strength, and boost circulation, all without the need for complicated equipment from seated leg lifts to chair dips. Thank you so much for staying with me for so far. Please subscribe and support. Hit that like button, comment your thoughts, and see you guys tomorrow with love, Nisa.